The bees have arrived today, and this is just going to be a quick video showing me getting them set up and put out by the fruit trees in South Orchard. Welcome back to the channel, Rooted in Obsession, and to my garden. Today we're here in my garage. Gotta take my ring off. It's lotion. Usually, first time I get stung, I swell up a bit. That is very important. Otherwise, you could lose a digit very easily if you have your ring on, especially if you have a titanium ring. Then you go to the emergency room. There's no option but to amputate because they can't get the titanium ring off. I have the queen out. I have the, no, I don't have the queen out. I'm not going to shake her in. Just going to use this marshmallow, which the bees can chew through. I just have it in there very loosely. Press her into the comb here. Make sure the holes, those holes are tiny. Now make sure the hole is right over the queen here. And there we go. Before I shake a small amount of bees out of there, I'm gonna tape the front entrance closed with this ducting tape, just so that it decreases the chances of them absconding. I'll remove that piece of tape in the morning. Shaking a small amount out just to ensure that the queen has enough bees around her to stay warm. And this marks the beginning of my 2025 beekeeping adventure. I really didn't need this one today. Thanks for watching.